When to use oil-based paint. Oil-based paint has a stronger smell, ruins clothing, and is more difficult to apply. Because of these issues, many people prefer not to use oil-based paint. But it is necessary in some cases. Deciding whether you should use oil-based paint or latex-based should be determined based on a few factors. First, the existing paint. Second, water exposure. And third, location. If you're repainting something that is already oil-based, you should always use oil-based paint. If not, it could eventually peel and chip. If the thing you're painting is regularly exposed to water, it should also be oil-based, as oil-based paints are water-resistant. If you're painting a baseboard, door trim, or some other thing that is prone to regular touching, dents, and dings, you'll also want to use oil because it's tougher and can also easily be cleaned. Oil certainly has its cons, but its durability and water resistance are big pros. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.